In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to package a logic board for shipping safely. Start on a clean, static-free surface with good light and minimal clutter. Wear a grounded anti-static wrist strap and keep components in anti-static trays. Place the board into a certified anti-static bag, remove excess air, and seal gently. Protect vulnerable edges with foam corner guards or folded cardboard pieces. Wrap the bagged board in a layer of static dissipated foam for shock protection. Select a sturdy corrugated box with at least 2 inches of clearance on every side. Line the bottom with high-density foam or anti-static bubble wrap for a solid base. Center the board, then add foam inserts or packing material to eliminate all movement. Place a final top cushion, close the box, and apply strong packing tape. Seal seams with reinforced tape, add clear fragile labels and orientation arrows. Include a packing slip, simple test report, your contact, then arrange insured shipping.